प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप का इनॉग्रेशन अब कुछ घंटों बाद अमेरिका में होने वाला है और अमेरिका में इस वक्त पूरी तरह से कह सकते हैं कि ट्रंप मेनिया चल रही है। हम यहाँ वॉशिंगटन डीसी के सबर्ब में हैं अरेंज शैंटली, और यहाँ पे फिड्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन डायस्पोरा स्टडीज का एक एनुअल इवेंट हो रहा है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे इंडियन अमेरिकन सक्सेसफुल इंडियन अमेरिकन हैं जो इस इवेंट में गैदर हुए हैं और हम उनसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि व्हाट डज दिस मीन फॉर इंडिया। मेरे साथ सबसे पहले खंडेराव जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस। What does this mean, this election of Trump mean for Indians who are living in America?
So this is one of the paradigm shift kind of election is there. Of course, last few years Biden has done good work, particularly when it comes to Modi's visit in 2023. It was a historic one, and some of the initiatives like ISET, critical and emerging technology and IMEC, etc. had been very good. However, in 2024, we have seen certain element of the government had some policies which were not really good towards the Indian American or the Indian American views towards the US-India relations and etc. Just to quote some of the things, for example, there has been certain elements which are driven by the jihadi terrorism, or it could be the Khalistani separatism, and there were attacks on, say, Hindu temples and consulates, and those are the things, crimes, they were not really investigated, or they were like a soft pedal and that. There were incidences like, say, Hindus in Bangladesh and Hindus in other part of it, including in Canada. So those are the things where the reactions and the State Department's involvement into that, there had some questions around that. So Indian American community was feeling uncomfortable scenarios in that.
So you're saying with Biden's administration, there was a little bit of discomfort within the Indian American community?
It shifted toward the discomfort zone. That is definitely had been there. Particularly, these are the few things when it comes to the how the minorities feels unsafe into certain regions.
Hold on, ये क्या हो गया? Thank you. हाँ.
So certain regions of world. So that was the
essentially not happy. विभूति जी, आपसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। आप रिपब्लिकन लीडर भी हैं एंड हमारी आपसे बहुत बार बात हो चुकी है। व्हाट आर योर व्यूज कि अब आगे कैसा होगा, अगर आप हमें हिंदी में बता सके तो।
हमने अंग्रेजी भी हिंदी माध्यम में ही सीखी है, तो हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। देखिए, ऐसा है कि इस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में, ट्रंप एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ साथ एक बात समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मोदी जी के मेक इन इंडिया प्रोग्राम और ट्रंप के मागा में बहुत ही समन्वय है, और कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ पॉइंट जो कहते नहीं हैं, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। देखिए, इक्के दुक्के बातों में डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं, टैरिफ इधर टैरिफ उधर, बट टैरिफ हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ नेगोशिएशन। वैसा कोई नहीं है कि उसको एक बार कह दिया कि हम 100% लगा देंगे तो वो लगा रहेगा। इट इज़ ए नेगोशिएशन टूल। एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड बैंकिंग, आई कैन कन्फर्म दैट इट इज़ ए नेगोशिएटिंग टूल। हाउएवर, द कन्वर्जेंस ऑन इश्यूज दैट India and United States have as the world's two most prominent democracies. I won't say big, large, old or new. I'm saying the two most prominent democracies. आप देखें इस बात को, इन दोनों ही democracies पे the Wokistani army is out to dismantle them, shake them up.
Wokistani army.
Yes, I always say Wokistani army. So the point which I'm trying to make is they have a convergence on issues, and I think they will agree on issues that are close to their heart and work on the divergences in a different manner.
समर्थन जो है दोनों नेताओं के बीच में जरूर होगा। सर, आपसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, आपके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज क्या है? व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज दैट यू वांट ट्रम्प टू वर्क ऑन एज फार एज इंडिया इज कंसर्न्ड?
So one thing that I have personally gone through in my life is the pain of H-1B and the green card. So one thing that I've positively seen the new administration thinking about is increasing H-1B capacity, or the number of people coming in through H-1B, and also making some improvement towards the overall immigration program. This is actually really critical for many of our technical folks or tech folks that who are in the DC area across the US, who are suffering from like hundreds of years of backlogs of green card. Hopefully this administration will work on this and will get some positive news very soon.
तो आपके लिए इमिग्रेशन जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है सर, आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन, आपके हाथ में कुछ है, जस्ट व्हाट आर यू कैरिंग ऑन इन योर हैंड्स अभी? अच्छा, ये जो आपका प्रिडिक्शन जो सही था, so let's talk about it. A lot of people were not able to get that correct. Now that Trump has been elected, what should he keep doing, or the Republican Party should keep doing to keep winning?
I think it is all about ideology when it comes to Trump particularly. I would say ideology suits very well, Trump ideology suits very well to India particularly, because the kind of government जो आज की डेट में इंडिया में है और जो ट्रम्प आइडियोलॉजी, उसका एक अलाइनमेंट मुझे मेरे पर्सनल राय में नज़र आता है, जो कि इंडिया के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है इन टर्म ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी।
भारत की जो पार्टीज है वो भी कुछ सीख सकते हैं इस विन से?
नहीं, देखिए, भारत की पार्टी, वहाँ के डायनामिक्स अलग है, यहाँ के डायनामिक्स अलग है। भारत की जो पार्टी है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनको, इट्स ऑल अबाउट पीपल, जो लोग हैं वही जिताते हैं आपको, दे इलेक्ट द लीडर। तो उनको अपना कैसे जीतना है, कैसे गवर्नेंस करनी है, उनको सब पता है।
लेकिन उनका जो स्लोगन था प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का, वो यूज किया गया था, अब की बार ट्रम्प सरकार यहाँ पे भी यूज किया गया था। सर, आपसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द सम ऑफ द थिंग्स जो आपको लगता है कि तुरंत ट्रम्प कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली जब हमने हिंदू अमेरिकन की बात की, यहाँ पे अटैक्स और हिंदू की बात की, कुछ ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं?
यस, सो उसमें जो क्राइम है, इलीगल इमिग्रेशन है, फोकस ऑन एजुकेशन, सो दैट लॉट ऑफ भारतीयस वेर फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल। जो वो आइडियोलॉजी है, स्कूल्स में क्या हो रहा है, कॉमन बाथरूम्स एंड ऑल, सो भारतीय, सो इन जनरल बाय डिफॉल्ट वी आर कंजर्वेटिव्स, सो दैट increasing so-called wokeism has been very uncomfortable for many Bhartiyas. So that is kind of a tripping point. And also illegal immigration. We are all for legal immigration and less crime in the cities. So all these, I think, definitely affected Bhartiya's thinking towards Trump.
श्रीकांत जी, आपसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, if there are any things that you want Trump to help Indian Americans out in America, what would be those things? और India America की relationship को how do you look at it?
So I think we share a lot of common causes, and we have a lot of things in common, natural allies as we call it. I think one of the most important thing is people who come here legally, I strongly think they should be given a chance to stand in the line first, get them to understand their problems first, and then see if they can be brought into mainstream where they become permanent citizens and then contribute more to the society. That's number one. The second thing is, we have seen what a stable and a secure country can bring to the table, right? I mean, it's the last 10 years or more in India, we have seen that, where stability has increased investments, it has increased growth and everything. Similarly here, what you need is stability where people who come in are known to the world, known to the, at least the United States government, and they can make a positive impact. We cannot have this, in India we give out this doles jo kar dete hain. Yahan pe they're doing the same thing with illegal people coming in and putting them in New York and other places, and who's paying for it? It's the taxpayers, and that includes all the H1 people who have been paying taxes for a long time.
Immigration essentially is one of the biggest thing.
Immigration is a big thing. Security is a big thing. These are the two main things that I think that made people tilt towards Trump actually.
शुक्ला जी, आपसे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. I mean, India-US relationship very close to your heart. What is that you would advise, President Trump to make America great again, especially keeping India in that context?
So President Trump knows very well, उनको पता है कि what kind of contribution Indian community is bringing on in US. He knows the kind of support he is getting from the, let's say, big tech or kind of like diaspora. And then like many congressmen and senators, उनको भी पता है कि Indian community is the highest taxpayer. They are contributing, they're very top professional in terms of life science industry, in terms of technology, in terms of finance. तो उनको Indian की values पता है. And there are like fringe elements, sometimes they try to disturb the things by making, you are trying to take the job and other thing. But then what like Trump administration is highlighting, the contribution Indian are bringing there, that is expanding the business, and that is going to get much more revenue than you are talking very small percentage what goes part of salary and other things. So making sure how Indian professionals are contributing the US economy, that is the highlighting point, and that's what Trump administration is going to do.
Thank you so much, Iqbal.
Thank you, Rohit. Yeah.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे। तो मैं एक बेड पे चढ़ के डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए।
Please.
तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया।
कसम पैदा कर